Hi guys, today we're going to be solving basic integration. This question here says evaluate integral x squared minus 4x dx. 2 is the upper limit, 1 is the lower limit. So I'm going to introduce formula for integration, which is a x raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. I'm going to use this formula to integrate this expression or function. Okay, in this case, n is the exponent of the given variable. So I'm going to bring out the function and integrate. N is the exponent. So integrating x squared, I'm going to have x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Remember, a here is the coefficients of x, and the coefficients of x here is 1. So I'm going to integrate 4x minus 4. The exponent of x here is 1. That is the power of x. So I'm going to write 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Okay, then all raised to the power of, okay, this is upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. So simplifying this expression further, I'm going to have x raised to the power of 2 plus 1 is going to give me x raised to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus 4x raised to the power of 2 divided by 2. And remember that 4 over 2 is actually 2. So what I have here is 2 here, 1 here. So I'm going to have, this will cancel this. I'm going to have 2 remaining here. So I'll have x power 3 divided by 3 minus 2x raised to the power of 2, all square here, raised to, upper limit 2, lower limit 1. So I'm going to substitute x with 2 and 1 and subtract. It means that I'm going to write x, then x is equal to 2 here. So I'm going to write 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus 2 bracket 2 raised to the power of 2. That is for 2. For the power 2. For the upper limit 2, that's this one. Then for the lower limit 1, I'm going to write minus 1 raised to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus 2 bracket 1 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so if I evaluate this, I'm going to have 8. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8 divided by 3 minus 2 squared is 4 times 2 is going to give me 8. Then I'll put my bracket. 1 raised to the power of 3 is 1. So I'm going to have 1 over 3 here. Minus 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. So I can see I have fractions. So I'm going to simplify further. So simplifying further, I'm going to have 3 here. Solving this fraction, I'm going to have 8 minus 24, because 3 times 8 is 24. Then put bracket here, and 1 times 8 is actually 8. So minus, I'll have bracket here, 3 here. Then I'm going to have 1 minus 6, because 3 times 2 is 6. 1 minus 6. So I'm going to have, this will be equal to 8 minus 24. That is going to give me minus 16 divided by 3. Then 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is going to give me minus 5. And minus 5 times this minus is going to give me plus 5. So I'm going to write plus 5 over 3. So this is minus 16 divided by 3 plus 5 over 3. So if I simplify it further, I'm going to have 3 is going to be minus 16 plus 5. And minus 16 plus 5 is going to be minus 11 divided by 3. So minus 11 divided by 3. Looking at the options, looking at these options, the best answer is D, minus 11 divided by 3. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching.